Hi and welcome back into the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how you can turn off the invert camera on your iPhone. I am going to show you two ways on how to do that. The first way, you'll need to go to your settings and then scroll down until you see the camera here on your settings. Just tap on it. And then if your mirror front photos is turned off, you just need to turn it on enable in order for your photos to be inverted. So the next way that I am going to show you is to actually invert a already captured photo in your device. So I am going to show you here a screenshot of my screen. And then to edit that, just tap on edit on the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on this square right here on the bottom part. To invert it, you'll just need to tap onto the triangle image right here on the upper left corner of your screen. So that is how you invert the already captured photo. So please like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.